Kumusta sa lahat ng gustong matuto? Let's learn English Tagalog together. Let's learn body parts in English.
Learn.
Head.
Ulo. Head, ulo. Arm, braso.
Arm, braso,
Nose, ilong.
nose, ilong.
What is this?
Ano ito?
This is my hand. Ito ang kamay ko.
Hand in English, kamay in Tagalog.
Head, ulo.
Eye, mata.
Arm, braso.
Face, nose, lips, chin.
Nose, ilong.
Nose, ilong.
Hand sa English, kamay sa Tagalog. Paa, foot.
Foot sa English, paa
Learn
sa
some
action
Tagalog.
words together in English and Tagalog. Ride, sakay.
Okay, I'll ride. Walk, lakad.
Okay, I'll walk.
Sige, lalakad ako.
Drink, inam juice.
Okay, I'll drink. Sit.
Upo. Okay, I'll sit.
Sige, uupo ako.
Eat, kumain.
Okay,
Sige,
sige.
kain na.
Salamat.
Eat, kain, kumain siya ng tanghalian.
Run, takbo.
Ride, sumakay, uminom. Drink in Tagalog.
Walk, lakad.
Sleep, tulog.
Let's review what we learned
You're really
today.
fast. Can we keep up this pace? Takbo! Run! We have to keep going!
Ride, sumakay.
In English, we say sit. In Tagalog, we say umupo. Umupo ka. Please sit down.
Stand, she stands up. Tumayo, tumayo siya. Tumayo tayo para magkaroon ng lakas at magandang postura. Eat, she eats lunch. Kumain, kumain siya ng tanghalian. Stand, tumayo. Walk, lakad. Run, takbo. Sleep, tulog.